FastWan is here, a fine-tuned version of Alibaba's WAN AI video model, which is one of the best open-source AI video generators you can use right now. The original WAN versions, like 2.1 and 2.2, are capable of high-quality videos, but they can be slow, especially if your graphics card has limited VRAM. That's where FastWan comes in. This video shows a comparison of video generating speed. You can see that instead of taking over 20 steps to make a decent video, FastWan gets it done in about 3 steps, all with only a small drop in quality. Let's walk through what it can do, starting with the official demo site. When you load the page, you can choose between WAN 2.1 or WAN 2.2. Below that, you have the prompt box, where you can either type your own prompt or use one of their examples. You can also set the width and height, as well as the total number of frames. Let's start with one of their default examples. A cute, fluffy panda bear is preparing a meal in a cozy, modern kitchen. First, let's try with the WAN 2.1 model. I leave the resolution at the default settings and click Run. Immediately, it gives me an estimated completion time, around 14 seconds. But this WAN 2.1 model gives the output even quicker than that. Wow, that's pretty fast, and it took only around 6 seconds. At nearly 16 frames per second, this clip is smooth enough for casual use, and the panda looks adorable. The kitchen has nice details, like counters, lighting, little props, etc. For something created in around 5 seconds, it's impressive. Now let's try the same thing, but this time with the WAN 2.2 model, which usually gives higher quality. And here's the output. It's definitely better quality with more refined details. It takes a bit longer than the 2.1 model, but still very fast. Next, another built-in prompt. This one's a little more complex and more realistic. When it finishes, the result is exactly as described, capturing the dust behind the motorcycle, then zooms in to show the intense focus on the rider's face. What stands out is the speed. For many AI video generators, scenes with a lot of depth and texture take much longer. Here, we're looking at under 20 seconds from click to finished 480p clip. The motion is subtle but realistic, and it holds up well even on a larger screen. Now let's try something original. I'll type in a prompt this time. A futuristic city at night. Neon lights reflecting on wet streets. Flying cars moving between tall glass skyscrapers. This prompt has moving elements, complex lighting, and multiple layers of depth. A good challenge for any AI video generator. I hit Run, and the generation takes around 20 seconds. When it's done, the result isn't exactly groundbreaking. There are some minor flickers and flaws, and it doesn't show cars flying, but for something generated in well under half a minute, it's more than usable. And here you can download the created video without any watermarks. Now let's ask the big question. Is it actually faster than the original WAN model? So let's test it. Here I have a prompt prepared, a cowboy riding a horse across a dusty desert at sunset. And let's run it on both original WAN 2.2 model and on FastWan. Yes, the estimated time of main WAN 2.2 is much longer, while we already have the output from FastWan. Looking at the complete results, it is clear that the main WAN 2.2 output is much better quality with crispy details, but the FastWan output from the same prompt is also decent and generated so quickly within 20 seconds. To put these times in context, the older WAN 2.1 or 2.2 models often take over a minute, sometimes several, to make a similar clip, especially at higher resolutions or frame counts. FastWan, thanks to its sparse distillation technique, skips a lot of unnecessary computation. Sparse distillation is basically training the AI to focus on the most important parts of a frame instead of rendering every detail with equal priority. That means it can generate decent-looking videos in 3 to 5 steps instead of 20-30. This results in massive speed gains. On top-tier hardware like the H200 GPU, FastWan can actually generate a 5-second video in exactly 5 seconds. That's 1 second of processing per second of video almost in real time. Even on an RTX 4090, which many creators are using, it's still incredibly quick. About 21 seconds for that same 5-second clip. And here, benchmarks show that for the 5B parameter, WAN 2.2 model, FastWan is 46 times faster than the standard version. For the larger 114B model, it's 98 times faster. Across all 3 videos I tried, the panda, the motorcycle scene, and my neon city, the quality is consistent with what I'd expect from the standard WAN model. Nothing exceptional, just delivered much faster. Textures are detailed enough for social media, YouTube Shorts, and even some professional uses, depending on your resolution needs. Motion is smooth at the default 16 FPS, though you can increase frame counts for longer clips. Are there flaws? Sure. Like most AI-generated videos, you might notice some flicker, occasional unnatural movement, or slight inconsistencies between frames. But the point here is speed, and in that area, FastWan is unmatched for an open-source model. If you want to try it yourself, the free demo is live right now. You can use the default examples or input your own prompts, tweak sizes and frame counts, and see what you get. The code is also available on GitHub with instructions for running it locally. At the moment, the FastWan release is for the 5B variant of WAN 2.2, but larger versions are planned, including the 12.24B model. If you're into AI video generation and you value speed without a huge quality trade-off, FastWan can be worth testing out, especially before the demo servers get crowded. If you found this video, drop a comment on your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to AI with TechSnap for more AI updates.